Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently 8:22 a.m. on August 13th, 2012. Hope you guys are doing well and had a great weekend. We're currently on a 24 option platform looking at a call option setup potential. If you remember last week, we took a lot of call options on the south side move looking for going against the trend, and there was a great trade set up earlier today for the same thing but on a put option to the north side. So we're just looking for a pullback here, a little bit more. We already had a good pullback. I'm just looking for a little extended, and we'll get in this trade about right. Okay, I'm looking right here. This looks good right here. All right, I'm getting in. Wait. Okay, here we go. All right, we're taking this trade. Okay, so we're getting in a call option. Looks pretty good. There's a pullback from recent highs at resistance 3, and we came back to an area where it was kind of in between resistance 2 and 3. Price looks pretty good, so we'll be pretty happy with this trade when it closes out, I think. If you have any questions, let me know below. Some comments. Still liking your Facebook likes. Really appreciate that. You can see that below. There's a link below for that as well if you haven't done that or subscribed. So hang on. Let's just see this thing, how this thing closes. Currently in favor, and we'll go from there. All right, so we're back here, and price is in our favor. We got 45 seconds to go. Currently up about 2.5 pips, 2 pips exactly, which is nice. We'll take it. Always a good thing when you can get in on a Monday trade pretty early in the morning and get your direction going for you. This trade's looking pretty good. We had a nice fluid move originally to the downside from the peak, and now we're looking for it to consolidate and maybe even move back up to that resistance 3 area, which I think it might do in time, and I will post that, hopefully an image if I can. If it does get created, I'll post the image on the website and on Facebook. So you can see how this formulated as well. Okay, so this is definitely closing in our favor. It's currently 8:30, so the expiry is done, and let's go check out the back end in a second here. See how this thing did, because it should be a winner chicken dinner. So hang on a second, and I'll show you the back. All right, so here's the $200 invested. And 1.2344 was where it closed out, so 4 pips in our favor for 370. Solid trade for a Monday. We'll take that all day. So let's go check out the chart. Okay. All right. So here's a quick 5-minute chart. You can see the price action is just beautiful to the north side. Just consistently, we had a constant flow up after. About 5 or 6 hours ago, and you can see how it played off the resistance areas on the way up. And here we are in the 1-minute chart, and you can see how this played out really nice. You have the 1-minute bounce here on resistance 1, coming down, bounced up, hit resistance 2, consolidated below. You had that potential trade set up, and then obviously when it hit resistance 3, this is where you take your extended move put option against the trend. And it would have worked out really nicely as well. And then this is where we got in our trade. You can see how this price action here. You can see how this price action here and here. So these 2 areas. This is your support. As the price comes down, you're looking at this past wick area, and then it bounced up, and it's moving up to the north side back to resistance 3 as we speak. So that's always a good thing when you definitely call the direction and hopefully have a solid trade. So in this case, we did. All right, so this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like the video. Continue to like the video and like us on Facebook. That link is below. Also, there's a link in there for a 24 option account setup. This is where I trade and many other people trade. So please do that. And we'll talk to you tomorrow, Tuesday, for the trade of the day. Have a great one, everyone, and we'll go from there. Have a good one.